Hey, this is Mike, and this is my review for the KitchenAid large capacity dish rack. This is our personal one. Really like it. I've used it for quite a while. I like to put my cups here, so so they drain. I like that it has the little drain here, so it drips down like this. This is plastic. This is also like a hard plastic. It's a little beat up because I've had it for a while, so I would say a couple years, several like 2, 3 years already. So you can put your spoons and forks and utensils here. You can also put them here if you like. So a couple things I recommend. Number one, I like to take everything out of here, and then I will pull this thing out. It disconnects. Sorry, just using a one hand. So, and then I like to clean in here. As you can see, it can get a little dirty. So this can get a little, some bacteria. It's a little beat up. So I'll take, yeah, I like to take this out, and I'll put this in the sink, and then I'll wipe it down. And I do the same with this. So I'll pull this out. I highly recommend every now and, maybe once a week or twice a week. I mean, whatever, however long you want to do it. The water will start to build up sometimes here, and then this will get a little bit dirty sometimes. So you want to just with some soap and water and a brush, just or with your with a sponge or anything, you just wipe it down a little bit. So yeah, so it's great. I really like it. I don't get a lot of drip or anything like underneath. This is very dry, so so it doesn't doesn't drip or anything. This thing is great. So I really like it. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope the review is helpful.